Hello Fly Babies. Today is Wednesday and I am FlyLady Kat. I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. So on Wednesday we do planning and desk day. So let's start with our 3-layer cake. First layer, routines. Second layer, basic weekly plan, planning and desk day. Third layer, zone. Zone 4. We're in zone 4, the master bedroom, master closet, master bathroom. Okay, let's start. We're going to start with our routines. So in the morning, you're going to get up and do your morning routine and put your children through their morning routine. It is imperative that you do this very first thing in the morning to get the ball rolling. The second thing we're going to do is our basic weekly plan. As I said, today is Wednesday, and that is our planning and desk day. So we're going to look in our fridge today, give it a little wipe out, make an inventory in our head of what's in the fridge, the freezer, and the pantry, make a grocery list and a menu based on what you have and what you don't have. So that's going to take a few minutes. You're going to do that every week. It'll be easier and easier. All right, then you're going to go to your desk and you're going to write in your planner what you plan to serve those meals, the next 7 meals. And then you're going to balance your checking account. Make sure everything's in good shape. Make sure there's nothing weird going on with your debit card or your credit card. Then you're going to look at your budget and you're going to make sure that your grocery list, the estimated amount, fits under budget, And then we're going to look at our inbox and see what needs to be taken care of this week as a result of going through our inch of paper. Do we need to call someone? Do we need to write someone? Do we need to mail someone something? Do we need to pay something? You're going to take care of that, as well as filing anything that requires filing broadly in your file system. Okay, if you're working, grab the inbox articles and take them with you. Do the quick check in the morning of the fridge, throw the few things out that you've let accumulate in there, and give it a little wipe down as part of your, right after your morning routine before you get the kids up. Just takes a second. And then take a quick look at the fridge, freezer, and pantry so you can remember what you might want to make for lunches, dinners, snacks, and breakfasts, and you can make your plan at work today. All right, now, next thing is the zone we're in. We're in zone 4, the master bedroom. So we're going to spend 15 minutes in there if it's cluttered, 5 to 10 minutes in there if it requires a deep clean. So if it's still cluttered, you're going to get in the bedroom and you're going to spend 15 minutes decluttering. You're going to start with your timer, put on some music, and declutter, throw away, give away, put away. At the end of the day, at the end of the 15 minutes, you're going to take the trash out to the garbage can, get it out of the room. You're going to take the giveaway to the back of the car, and you're going to put away the things that can be put away in your room. If your room is such a mess that you can't put things away, put them in a corner so that when you get to that area where they belong and you clean it out, then you can put them in. So you always start with the picture in mind of what it's going to look like when you're done. Okay? So what is your room going to look like when it's done? What does it look like? Where do things go? The same with your closet, the same with your master bathroom. Now, if you have already decluttered, or you just have a little bit of clutter in your drawers, then maybe you can work on decluttering a drawer. If that's already done, then you can start the deep clean of the room. Things like cleaning under the bed, things like wiping down the windowsill or the actual window panes, or cleaning the blinds, or cleaning the baseboards, or maybe you need to really vacuum in the corners well. In the bathroom, you know, really deep cleaning that shower. That's something you want to do on a regular basis. I do recommend something that I found through Grove Collaborative, which is a daily spray, which works really well. My mother, 87-year-old mom, loves it, and it actually works for her because she's a freak about having a clean shower and the clean glass and everything. And in our hard water in Florida, it works great for her. I'm using it in my husband's shower as well. It seems to really be doing a great job. I just looked in there this morning. It's still shiny. So I love it. I highly recommend it. I'll put the link below. Okay, And if you haven't ever joined Grove Collaborative, I'll put a free thing down there where you can get some free items as my guest starting off in Grove Collaborative. I love it. It's where I get my cleaning products. Okay, anyway, I digress. So, clean the bathroom. You know, do something in there that requires a deep clean. Maybe you haven't cleaned your closet out in a while. Maybe it needs to be really, maybe things are organized, but things need to be aired out. Maybe all the shoes need to come out and you need to air it out. Maybe put some essential oil in there, make it smell better, give it a good vacuum. You know, there are things you can do that just make your home nicer. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. Oh, we have to do our before bed routine, the most important part of the month of December. I mean, of December, no, of summer. Christmas in July? I've got it backwards. Okay, so the most important part of summer for me, for you, for training you is to help you get that before bed routine down. So if you work, you know, you're going to pay your bills during your work lunch hour and all that. When you come home, you're going to start your laundry, you're going to make your dinner, you're going to work in your zone for 10-15 minutes, depending on what you need to do, and you're going to also inspect what you expect if you delegated that weekly home plan, weekly home blessing hour, whatever article you had your kids do today, or you're going to do it yourself. Remember, you can break the weekly home blessing hour into 6 things. Stripping your bed and remaking it, washing the sheets. I always wash the sheets and put them back on. Dusting the whole house, vacuuming the whole house or sweeping or both, emptying all the little garbage cans, wiping down the glass, mopping the kitchen and bathrooms. Each one of those is 10 minutes because we are not deep cleaning, we are not perfection cleaning, we are just blessing the house. These jobs are going to be done imperfectly, but that's okay. They still bless you and bless your family. So one of those things every day, 6 days a week. I recommend doing the sheets on the weekend. Everything else, one thing in the afternoon when you come home, or if you can delegate it to a child or an older child or an adult in your home, that is a win-win. Okay, now you've had dinner, you've had the after dinner routine, now it's before bed routine. So we're going to go over it in detail one more time. Before bed routine is, not one more time, many more times before this summer is over. You're going to do the evening routine with the children first, the before bed routine rather. So it's remind them 30 minutes before, remind them 5 minutes before. Then they're going to put away all the things they were playing with, no matter how old they are. They're going to pick out something to read. They're going to go take a shower or bath after they put their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes and they've got their PJs ready to go. They're going to brush their teeth. They're going to wipe out the sink and hang up their towel and their hand towel. They're going to take all the toys out of the tub, and the bathroom is going to look the way it looked when they came in, and that's a job. So you're going to inspect what you expect, that they've done those things, okay? Then they're going to climb in bed, have a book, either they're going to read or you're going to read, whatever, book or stories or chapters, and they're off to sleep. Now it's your turn. So you're going to, depending on the time of day, if you're really tired and it's still early, you don't want to mess with the kitchen yet, but you're going to go get yourself ready because there are going to be some more dishes. The kitchen's clean because you cleaned it up after supper, but there are going to be some extra little dishes. Oh, and if your children, by the way, before they start cleaning up, after they've picked up their toys, but before they take their shower, if they use an ice cream bowl and a spoon and you have hand wash dishes only in your house, have the water ready for them. They can wash them, rinse them, and put them in the rack. If you have a dishwasher, they can put it in the dishwasher. They should. I'm going to say that. They should. And then that way they're learning and you don't have to do it. It's not that it's hard for you. It's better for them to learn how to be independent. Okay, now your turn. So let's go take care of your body first. So we're going to go ahead and pick out our clothes for tomorrow, look at our planner, see what's all planned for tomorrow, go in there and take your bath if that's when you do it, brush your teeth, wash your face, cream your skin, brush your hair. Somebody asked me, why do you brush your hair at night? I say brush the day out of your hair. It's just good to distribute the natural oils in your hair, to get some of the funk out of it from the day, maybe the dinner smells. Just give it a good brush, maybe some dry shampoo if you need to. I don't know, you might not use that. I like it. And it's getting the old hairs out of your hair. I don't know why. I just think I do know why. I think it's good for you. It's very old-fashioned, and some of the old-fashioned things are good, and that's a good thing. Brush your hair. Okay, now next thing we're going to do is, did we brush our teeth? I think we did, yes. Okay, so you've got your PJs on. The bathroom looks like it did when you went in. You've hung up your towel. You've made sure you didn't leave toothpaste in the sink, right? You sprayed down the shower if you use a shower spray. Now we're going to go in the kitchen and take out whatever it was you planned for dinner tomorrow, if it's in the freezer, to thaw, either in the sink until you go to bed and then stick it in the fridge, or just in the fridge. You can do that. Or maybe you're cooking something overnight in your crock pot. It'll be ready in the morning, and then you can just turn it off and put it away. You know, people have different things they want to do, but make sure that you've covered dinner for tomorrow. Okay, the other thing you're going to do is make sure all the last minute dishes are in the dishwasher, and the dishwasher is full of soap and running. Last minute wipe down of the counter. Wipe out your sink. Make it look pretty. You don't have to scrub it. You can. I like Mrs. Meyer's counter spray. I just spray it, wipe it out, and put a new fresh towel out. Put the old towel in the wash. That's what I do. Makes it always look clean and nice. Then, but you don't have to use Mrs. Meyer's. There are a myriad of things you could spray with. I do recommend, though, not using chemical-based things. Again, the Grove Collaborative has many things. Method also makes some really good things. But look and see what you might like. Something that smells good, gives you a little energy, and makes your sink look clean, and you know you haven't put chemicals in your sink. Okay, next thing is what? Then we're going to go and kind of pick up our little nest where we were sitting. If it's time for bed, close the curtains, make sure you fed the dog, whatever, or watered the dog or put the dog out. You know, do your last minute things. Then get in bed in a timely manner, so that if it's time for you to if you get up at 8:30 in the morning, you need to be in bed and asleep by 12:30, so maybe by 12 you want to be in bed reading. If you have to get up at 6 in the morning, then you want to be in bed by 10 if you need 8 hours of sleep, so really 9:30, so you can relax and get ready to go to sleep at 10. So again, we start with the end in mind, and back up the hours and say, this is when I need to go to bed. All right, I hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.